Hey Diamonds, this is your girl Eva Tarae, right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for being a part of the Diamond family. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so that you will be notified as soon as I drop another video. Today I wanted to do something super purple. I was definitely inspired by my new shirt by 8684 Kingdom Apparel. So I wanted to do something super purple with a splash of gold in it. So this was definitely my inspiration for today. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I grabbed my Depotted Makeup Forever Shadow number 92, and I'm going to place that in and above my crease, blending it very well using a windshield wiper motion. Since this purple is on the dark side, it will tell on you, so you definitely want to take your time and blend it out well. I don't know if you noticed, but I first started blending with a large blending brush, but after the color was laid, I decided to switch to a smaller one just so I could be a little bit more precise. Then I grabbed my MAC 239 to focus that same color, 92 from Makeup Forever, in the inner corner and outer corners of my eye. Next, I'm going to use my Fit Me Concealer in Cafe number 30, placing it in the center of my lid and blending it out. Off camera with a new MAC 239 brush, I did wet it with my Mario Badescu spray. And I went in with my MAC Crushed Metallic Pigment in Lantern Light and focusing that right on that area where I put my concealer down. Off camera, I also applied my liner, which was my Estee Smudge Pot in black. And then also my falsies are the House of Lashes and Sephora collection, and it's Cecila. Here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I drop another video. There are a few new chapters I'm walking into, and I can't wait to share them with you. As always, diamonds, until next time.